Hello all, welcome back to the shop. Wanted to do a unboxing today. I know it's been a while since I did one, but something special came in. First, I want you to say hi to my cat. Here's my cat here. Her name is Spot. Spot, yeah. Anyways, hey. Spot doesn't like to be up here. Anyways, yes. So here we go. Unboxing slippers, Saddleback slippers. Been waiting for a little while for these guys. I did a pre-order on them online September 30th. I'm looking because I got notes over there. September 30th, they did a pre-order. At least that's when I pre-ordered them. And supposedly they were supposed to get here by Christmas, but there were some delays. I understand that from Saddleback. On the 14th of December, we got an email from Dave saying that they're going to be delayed because of some issues with the lining, sterling. Anyways, the white poofy stuff. I should know that, shouldn't I? Anyways, delayed. But Dave sent everybody that ordered a $50 gift card as an apology. So that was pretty awesome. Price. Let's talk about price real quick. I ordered these on 30th of September. It cost me $149. I did use my first responder discount. That first responder discount took off 10%, so it's $14.90 off. Shipping was $8 and tax was $10.01. We live in North Carolina. So the video date is the 20th of January 2022. So anyways, let's get on it. Let's start this out. So that's what I paid for it. I know that's a lot for a pair of slippers, but if you look what else is out there, I'm wearing a pair of Old High slippers now, and I'll take those off in a minute, and I could compare them out with you. So anyways, yeah, I'll stop babbling. Let's do some cutting. My trusty Spyderco knife. You know, I could use any of these, but yeah, I'd probably cut my finger off if I use this guy right here. This is a head knife. Sharp. All right. So let's see what we got here. We got paper. I use this for sending out wallets. So thank you, Dave. Thank you, Saddleback. And there it is. I'll get that later. Okay. So here we go. Packaging. Nice canvas. Did you know canvas is really good for burnishing edges with toconal? Just saying. Edges of wallets, things like that. So if I cut up the bag, but I mean if you want the bag for other things, you can have it. Anyways, it's really cool. Saddleback, size 14. See if that will focus. Not on me. You don't want to see me. Alright, 14. Made in Old Mexico. Sheepskin slipper. Now I saw a lot of the videos, and you should check out Dave's channel, Saddleback Leather's channel. And I saw those, and I kind of fell in love with them. One, I'll show you here in a second why. But first, let's get on to the slippers. So, unboxing. Tobacco. These are nice. Okay. No big feet jokes here. I know they're big. I could use these. Well, people could use these as snowshoes. I could just use them as regular shoes. Anyways. Alright, so close-ups. Promise you I'm wearing pants if I get out of frame here. Alright, so let's get some light on these guys. So let's see here. Kind of screwing it up, ain't I? Alright. Here they are. They, oh, this way. My bad. So, size 14 men's. This is the back side of them. This is the sole side. Now, these guys are leather on across the bottom, which is nice. I really like that a lot. One of the main reasons is earthing or grounding. If you do go outside in these, walk around your yard, you'll ground. You'll earth. Look it up. Don't use Google. Anyways, pretty amazing stuff. Everybody should do more grounding, earthing. But yeah, so that's what main reason why I like about the slippers is they had a leather sole on them. Because you know it seems like we're disconnected from the ground. And yeah, so anyways, I like this. There is a little bit of a foam pad, Dave was saying, on the bottom here. But pretty cool stuff. I like them. First time I've seen them too, so I'm kind of excited. Can't get my dang hands in there. Big old paws. All right. Can you see inside there? Cover my face up. Not going to be a long video, but I'm excited about them. So, from what I've seen, they run a little narrow. From what I've read on a couple people's reviews, no big deal. This is leather does stretch out and it'll mold itself to your feet. I'm pretty excited. I thought these were going to be lighter in color. Here's white. Here's this color. So it's kind of a cream color. Kind of thick as well. If we look at the wool lining, what is that? About an inch. You know, it compresses down. This is not the stuff that normal slippers are made out of. Normal slippers, you can kind of like pull away the fur, the wool, and you can see the mesh that it was all sewn into. So what happens a lot of times is this sterling comes off and it just leaves, you know, a bald leather spot there. But yeah, really cool. Excited to try these out. I said earlier I have a pair of Olakais. If you have like a old shoe thing, that you should probably look away. But anyways, here we go. I'll show the bottom of the shoes. So on the Olakais, they do have rubber padding. I don't really like that. One, it is good for grip, of course. Except for like the floor is a little wet, then these things are like ice skates. You will slide out and do the splits and call somebody to help you up because, yeah. But, you know, that's one of the trade-offs. Instead of having a leather bottom, kind of rambling on here. Leather bottoms. I did have a pair of leather slippers before that had leather bottoms. Loved them. They just wore out. So I'm excited. I'm really excited about these. Scuff these up first, like what Dave says. You got to scuff them up. If you don't, yeah, it's gonna suck. Anyway, scuff them up outside before you wear them inside, especially on carpet or anything like that. So, anyways, here is my Olakai slippers and my new Saddleback slippers. They're about the same size. Might be a little bit longer. Neat thing I liked about these guys is they also had the wool lining, but you know, you can see right here in the back. I always wear them down. That's what's neat about Olakais. You can wear them down, the heels down, so they're just like slides. These are so much cooler. But as you can see on the back, you know, it's bald there. There's no more fur there, and that's kind of what happened, and they're falling apart, and I was ready for a new pair. So yeah, I jumped on it as soon as I seen these. These are like a velvety tobacco. I have a Cape brush, and then we can just kind of rough up leather on there just a little bit. Not really, I wouldn't say rough up. It's you just, you know, you're kind of like making a nap to it. So now you can kind of see that it's a little more of a traditional tobacco that we all kind of love. You can do that. You gotta do them on both. You can't just do it on one. Construction on them, pretty cool. Pretty sturdy, pretty neat. Yeah, I'm expecting good things from these guys. Lots of wear, lots of, yeah. Sorry, I have a hard time doing two things at once, especially talking. All right, so there's that. Unboxing. I said it was a short video, but I'm kind of going on. Old, new. Ooh, better take my sock off for that one. All right, and oh, if I fall, call the ambulance. All right, up. They fit. They fit. Yeah. Anyways, I'm Jimmy. Thanks for watching. And who knows? Maybe I'll do another video or something else. If you have suggestions, leave them in the comments. All right, thanks, guys. Close up, fade to dark. I don't think I'm supposed to be talking when I do this. Wait. Light. Focus. Anyways, here we go. Go into dark. And dark. And how's the button at? Still dark. Pretend it's dark, okay? Trust me, it's dark.